What's up everybody? This is me Ron and welcome to the new video tutorial. In this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to create a simple login form using share preference in Android Studio using Android programming. Now before starting this video tutorial, let's understand what is share preference. Android provides many ways of storing data of an application. One of them or one of these way is called shared preference. Shared preference allow us to save and retrieve data in the form of key value pair. Now let's start. Open the Android Studio, go to File, and then click New, and then click New Project. Give the name of your application. Click Next. Select Phone and Tab. Select. My Android Studio is a little bit hanging right now. And then select empty activity. Click Next. Click Finish. Now it will take some time to build a Gradle. Gradle is building. Gradle building process is finished. Now we have to design a layout. So expand the resource tab and then go to layout and double click on activity underscore main.xml. Now drag and drop one plain text over here for a username. I'll go txt user. Change the ID of this text field and drag another password field and drop over here for the password. Here goes the ID of this password field txt fast. Now drag one checkbox and then change the text of the text box. Remember me, and then change the text of the plain text field and insert the hint. Same process for the password field, and then drag one button and drop over here. Change the left underscore white to match parent, and then here goes the idea of this button is btn login, and then here goes the text login. Now we have to write the code. So for writing the code, go to Java and main activity. In order to use the shared preference, we have to import one library file, import android.content.shared preference. Now declare all the text field, plain text, and button over here. Edit text, user, path, and then button, login, and then share preference, and then share preference editor, share preference dot editor, and then boolean save login, and then checkbox. Save login checkbox. Now initialize all these fields in the onCreate function. User is equal to edit text, find by id, r.id dot txt user, and path is equal to edit text, find by id, r.id dot txt path, and then button equal to find by id, r.id dot btn login, And to use the shared preference, we have to call a method called getSharedPreference. So shared preference is equal to get shared preference login brief mode underscore private. By setting this mode, the file can only be accessed using this calling application only. Other application cannot access this file. Now save login checkbox is equal to checkbox find by id r dot id dot checkbox. Shared preference editor dot editor is equal to shared preference dot edit. This is the initialization of the shared preference. Now we have to create a event of the button login dot set on click listener new. Here goes an event of the button. Now outside this button, outside this outside this function, create another function called define a variable that is to the username and password. User dot get text dot toString. Now if username dot equals and dot equals then the message should appear toast dot backtext this username and maths. Toast dot length long dot show. Now if the save login checkbox is checked, now we are using the shared preference in order to store the data of the application. So if the save login checkbox dot is checked, now we have to store the data of the application. So share preference, sorry, editor did the mistake, editor dot put boolean, that goes save login and true. This is the storing of the data by using this is the key value. This is called key value. Editor dot put string, username, and here goes username, and editor dot put string, password, here goes PS password, and then editor dot commit. Here goes the put string. Now if the username and password do not match, we have to display the message else. Else toast dot backtext this error, toast dot lengthlong dot show. Now we have to retrieve the data of the application. So call this function over here. On the onset listener event of the button login, and here we're gonna retype the data of the application. Save login is equal to share preference dot get boolean save login comma true if save login is equal to true, user dot set text share preference dot get string username comma null. If the value is not present, return second parameter value. In this case, the null value is return. If the value is not present in username, then the null value is returned. Pass.set text share preference dot get string password command no. The username goes over here this key value and the password goes over this key value, and the if username and password is not present, then the null value is returned. Now run this application in any virtual devices you have. You can run your application either in your mobile phone or built-in virtual device of the Android Studio or any other third-party virtual device. Now I am gonna run the third-party ADB, that is the animation. Click start. In order to run this application in your own Android device, you have to install the Google USB driver. I'll provide the link of the article that will show how you can run your application in your own mobile phone by installing the Google USB driver. Select the connected device and then click OK. Proceed without instant run. Gradle is building. Installing application and launching the activity. Now enter the username here. Text support left and password. Next, now click login. Username and password match. Now, without checking this checkbox, close the application. and reopen whether the username and password is saved or not. There you go. Username and password is not saved. Now, if we click this check button, now then the username and password should remember by this application. Click this checkbox and click login. Username and password match and close this application. And then reopen this application. The username and password should remember by this application. There you go. Username and password is remembered by this application. So that's it for this tutorial, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your friends and stay connected with this channel. In order to stay connected in this channel, you have to subscribe this channel. So please subscribe this channel. And thank you once again for watching this video. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day.